So guys, you want to head over to search and type in create and format hard disk partitions. Click on it. Now once you're on this, your new disk should appear over here. It might be labeled as like disk 1, disk 2, disk 3, something like that. But just for this tutorial, I'm going to be using this 1 GB of unallocated space. In your case, there's going to be a disk right here, and then it's going to show your drive that you need to activate. So everything I do over here, you just want to copy the steps for what will appear here for you in this area. So you want to right click on where it says unallocated, and then click on new simple volume. And now you want to click on next. You want to choose the volume size. Here's the maximum right here, here's the minimum. You can choose anything between this number. So this is 1 GB right here. You want to click on next. And then you want to set the drive letter. I'm just going to call it drive N. And I click on next again. You can choose what you want to format it as. I'm going to format it as NTFS. And you can put the name as well. I'm just going to keep it as default new volume. And I click on next. And I click on finish. And now you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on this PC. And then you should find your new drive right here.